Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 summer room decorations that can be just room decor, or they can help you organize your stuff. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. Let's get on with the video. You want to get a canvas of any size, and you want to take a ruler and mark where you want the hooks to be at on the edge of the canvas with a pencil. Make sure you make the marks evenly spaced apart, and you can put as many hooks that you want onto the canvas. Then you want to go get a hammer, an ice pick, and some screw and hooks. You want to put the ice pick on the canvas where one of the marks are, and then you want to carefully hammer the ice pick into the canvas. Don't hammer the ice pick too far into the canvas because it will be hard to get out. After you're done hammering the ice pick into the canvas, you want to take the ice pick out, and then you can twist the hook into the hole. If the hook doesn't go into the hole, you can hammer the ice pick into the canvas again to make the hole deeper. You want to repeat the same steps for the other hooks. If you don't have an ice pick, you can use an electric drill to make a hole, or you can make a hole with the hook, but it will take longer. When you're done putting the hooks into the canvas, you can erase any pencil markings off of the canvas. If the hooks are slanted, you can use a hammer and carefully hammer them until they're no longer slanted. Now for the memo board, you want to get some ribbon of any color and cut a few pieces of ribbon, and you want to lay them out onto the canvas. Make sure the ribbon can wrap around to the back of the canvas. You can put as many rows of ribbon that you want onto the canvas. Now you want to mark where the end of each piece of ribbon is, so you know where to glue them later. After you're done marking where the ribbon will go, you want to flip the canvas over, and you want to glue the ends of each ribbon onto the back of the canvas with a glue gun. And before gluing the ribbon down, make sure the ribbon on the canvas is straight, and make sure you pull it tight so it's not loose. When you're done gluing the ribbon onto the canvas, you can put anything that you want on the ribbon, like pictures, quotes, or even glasses. When you're completely done, you can hang it up on a wall, and you can put jewelry on the hooks. If the canvas is leaning, try putting another necklace or bracelet on the side that's not heavy so the canvas will balance, or you can just adjust the canvas. You want to get a mason jar and paint it with 1 or more coats of paint, and you can paint it any color that you want. When your jar is dry, you want to get another color of paint, and you want to dip your paintbrush into the water. And then you want to put the brush into the paint until the paint waters down. Don't water down the paint too much because the paint will start to run on the jar. You can test the paint by flicking the bristles of your paintbrush with your finger, like how I'm doing here, and you want to flick the paint onto something else, like a piece of paper. The paint can go far while you're flicking the paint onto the jar, so you want to lay down some paper over a big area so you don't get paint on anything. Then you can lay the jar on its side, and you want to flick the bristles of the paintbrush with your finger. You want to do the same thing to the other sides of the jar, but wait for the paint to dry before splattering the paint on the other sides. When the paint is dry, you can tie a bow of ribbon onto the jar. Now you can either put flowers into the jar, or you can put pens, pencils, or you can put whatever you would like into the jar. What you're going to need for this DIY is rope, a glue gun, and scissors. You want to put some glue on the end of the rope, and then you want to start wrapping the rope into a circle. All you have to do is to keep gluing and wrapping the rope into a circle until you like the size. Be very careful while you're wrapping the rope because the glue is hot. Once you like the size of the circle, you want to start gluing on the edges of the circle and putting the rope into the glue like how I did here. You can keep going around until you like the height of the basket. I went around about 9 times. Once you like the height of your basket, you can cut off any extra rope you don't want. Now if you want to create handles for your basket, you can cut 2 pieces of rope that are the same size. Then you can put glue on the ends of the rope, and then you can stick the handles onto the basket. Now you would be done with your basket, and you can put anything that you want into the basket, like binder clips or paper clips. And that's how you make all these summer room decorations and organization ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!